Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's part 2 of how to make an easy game for beginners. If you saw my last video, I made a game with blocks, and today I'll be showing you how to make it with Python. So let's begin. The first thing I need to write is from mblock import event. I need to write this because I'm using the app mblock, and I recommend this app because this is an easy app for beginners that want to learn to program. Sometimes if you write something, it will automatically show up here, so you can just click on it and it will automatically show. Now, let's begin with the code. The code will be at event point green flag, and then we can enter and this will come out. After that, you need to write def on green flag, parentheses, and the colon. After that, we need to write while true. After that, we need to write if sprite is key pressed, parentheses, single colon, and inside the single colons we need to write right arrow and colon. Now we will write which direction the panda will be facing. Sprite point direction is equals to 90. And now sprite point forward says how many steps the panda will be making for each click on the right arrow. Now we need to write if sprite is key pressed, parentheses, and inside the parentheses we write single colon, and inside the single colons you need to write left arrow and colon. Now for the left arrow, our code will be sprite point forward parentheses minus 10. This will make the panda to go 10 steps backwards for each click on the left arrow. Now, we need to write it again. If sprite is key pressed, parentheses, up arrow, colon. This is the code for the up arrow. For this, we need to write sprite point y is equals to sprite point y plus 10. Now the last code will be if sprite is key pressed, parentheses, single quotes, down arrow, and we have the colons here, enter, sprite point y is equals to sprite point y plus minus 10. Now, be sure that while true is in the def on green flag. This means this line should be here, this line should be here, and these lines should be in the while true, not like here, but here. Exactly here. So, now, if I run this code, there shouldn't be any problem. So, if I click the green flag and I can now control my panda. If you didn't understand something, feel free to watch the video sometimes. And if you have a friend that loves programming and is a beginner and wants to learn some easy Python programming, share this. Comment down below if you want to learn something else. Maybe give me some ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!